Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial on registering your eSERS account. When the Employer Web Administrator for your district has enrolled you to be a contact in eSERS, you will receive this email to register your eSERS account. In this email, you receive your eSERS user ID along with a registration link. This link will expire in 24 hours. Click on this link and it will take you to the eSERS website authorized user license agreement. After reading this, you want to check mark this box by clicking accept and acknowledging and affirming that you agree with the terms and conditions provided above. Once you check mark this box, click I accept. After you click I accept, you want to enter in your password. You want to confirm your password. And click continue. When you click continue, eSERS will send you a verification code to complete your registration. Choose the option on how you would like your one-time password sent. In this example, we only have our email address available. Click Generate Verification Code. Your verification code will be sent to the email address listed. The one-time password will be sent to the email listed above. If you would like the verification code sent through text message, you will have to contact your Employer Web Administrator to have your cell phone number listed in your contact screen. Once you receive your verification code, you want to enter it in the verification code field. After you enter in your verification code, click Finish. After you click Finish, it will take you to the eSERS login page. And from there, you can complete your SERS contribution reporting. Contact Employer Services for any questions. Thank you for watching.